Have you ever wondered how regular people in Anchorage, Alaska are quietly making over $7,000 every month with side hustles most of America hasn't even heard about? The icy Alaskan city might seem remote, but the truth is, it's full of hidden money-making opportunities. In this video, we're revealing 3 powerful side hustles thriving in Anchorage right now. Pay attention, because hustle number 2 will surprise you the most. Let's start with the first one. Anchorage is surrounded by breathtaking mountains and wildlife. Every year, thousands of visitors and adventure seekers fly in, and they need reliable local guides. That's where adventure tour hosting comes in. You don't need to be a professional travel agent, just someone who loves nature, hiking, or photography. Locals are now offering personalized tours through Airbnb experiences, Viator, or their own websites. Take Hannah, for example. She started offering a 3-hour photo walk in Anchorage's Chugach Mountains. In her first month, she hosted only 8 sessions, earning around $1,200. By month 6, she was making over $7,000 a month by partnering with hotels and travel agencies. She didn't even need a big investment, just a car, safety gear, and a passion for Alaska's wild beauty. To start, you'll need a reliable car or SUV, hiking gear, liability insurance, and a smartphone for bookings. Legal steps: register as a local tour operator with the State of Alaska Department of Commerce, and get a business license. For tours in national parks, you'll need a special use permit from park authorities. The best part? Once you build your reputation, you can expand your services, offer fishing tours, aurora viewing, or snowmobile experiences, and scale this into a 6-figure business. Now, hustle number 2, this one's unexpected. Believe it or not, one of the fastest growing side hustles in Anchorage is remote drone photography for real estate and wildlife content. Drone operators are making up to $500 per project shooting aerial footage of homes, cabins, and natural landscapes. Real estate agents love high-quality drone shots because they help properties sell faster. Jake, a former oil worker, started doing this after buying a $1,000 drone. Within months, he was booked every weekend, earning $7,500 in a single month. His clients included Airbnb hosts, local tourism companies, and even the city council. Requirements: a quality drone, DJI Mini 4 Pro or Mavic Air, a laptop for editing, and drone pilot certification. Legal: you must register your drone with the FAA, get a Part 107 license, and follow Alaska's drone operation laws, no flying over private property without consent. Pro tip: offer monthly drone monitoring services for construction companies or social media packages for tourism businesses. It's a perfect way to build passive income in Alaska's visual economy. Finally, the third hustle is something truly Alaskan: home heating and snow removal services. Anchorage winters are brutal, and homeowners constantly need driveways cleared and heating systems checked. You can start small, servicing 10 to 15 homes, and grow as referrals come in. Mark, a local high school teacher, started with a snowblower and basic tools. He offered contracts through Facebook Marketplace and Nextdoor. Within 3 months, he had over 40 recurring clients and was making around $7,200 monthly during the winter season. Requirements: a snowblower, truck or trailer, winter gear, and basic handyman knowledge. Legal: get a City of Anchorage business license, and make sure your vehicle is insured for business use. Scaling tip: build a small crew, advertise through local radio or social media, and add emergency heating checkups. Some companies even expand into gutter cleaning or roof insulation services, making money year-round. Each of these side hustles thrives because Anchorage rewards practical, independent workers who can adapt to the environment. Adventure tourism takes advantage of Alaska's natural beauty. Drone services tap into the city's modern digital needs. And snow removal brings you consistent winter income. Together, they form a powerful trio that can easily push you past $7,000 per month. So, which side hustle would you try first in Anchorage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more state-by-state hustles that are changing lives across America. Remember, every big business starts small. Your next step could be the one that changes your life.